Thank you, CrowdTap and Zep, for giving me the opportunity to try the Microwave Miracle Foaming Cleaner. So I'm going to go ahead. Here's my microwave. Had a little spaghetti sauce explosion in it last night, so perfect time to try this out. First, you just coat the surface of your microwave with this foam. That's good. And then close the microwave. You go ahead for 1 to 2 minutes. You activate the foam cleaner. And then we'll come back in a minute. Okay, the Microwave Miracle is all done. Now I'm going to let it cool, and then we'll come back and see how easy it is to clean everything up. Okay, let's see how this worked. So here's my microwave with the foam. You could see the liquid in there. So now we're just going to go ahead, take a paper towel, and wipe it all clean. Look how simple that is. There's no scrubbing. Everything comes right off. And here we go. I'm all done wiping it down. And I've got a nice, clean microwave. Thanks again to my Zep Microwave Miracle Foaming Cleanser.